This lovely 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home sits on almost an acre of land. A wrought iron fence surrounds the deck and patio area, while the rest of the yard is wide open space with a storage shed for lawn equipment. The kitchen features granite countertops, marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances, gas range, and a breakfast area that opens to the family room equipped with gas fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors and luxury vinyl downstairs, along with tray ceilings and custom moldings. The master bath has a jetted tub and standalone shower. Oversized paved driveway and 2-car garage. Located in the Creekside Estates, backs up to Moyock Elementary, just minutes from local shops.